Like any other industry, the job market have been evolving with the advancement of technology. And during the last 1 year, we have seen many scandalous job offers since most people were looking out for online and work from home options. Have you ever faced a situation where you doubted whether you were applying for a genuine job or not? Well, today we are here to discuss on how to identify fake jobs in social media. Welcome back to Freshers World YouTube channel Jobs and Careers. This video is sponsored by Unacademy, and so before proceeding on to our topic, let's watch a short video by Unacademy.
Why should anyone take an Unacademy subscription? First of all, when you take up a subscription, you get access to all the batches and courses that are running currently and also the ones that have happened in the past. You can learn from your favorite teachers and be a part of all the courses and batches that are being taken up by them. Dedicated doubt sessions will be available so that you can ask doubts in live classes. Additionally, there is doubt support on Discord where educators and teaching assistants solve doubts. You have batches and courses running which can help beginner, intermediate and advanced level folks. And there is an interview preparation batch starting on 24th Feb, especially for intermediate level folks, which will help you get ready for upcoming placements. And this is being taken up by Ria Bansal, who's herself techie in Flipkart and will be able to guide you how to crack such interviews. And Deepak Gaur, who is the ICPC World Finalist for 2020 and he has worked at App Dynamics. Check the batch trailer and course plan by clicking on the link in the description.
Now, let's see some methods through which we can identify whether the job is genuine or not. First of all, when you see a job offer or a job posting which looks like it's too good to be true, check for the person or organization that have posted the ad. If it is a person, you need to check if he really belongs to the specified company or not. If he is not, then the probability of that post being fake is 90%. Also try checking the online presence of the company since legit jobs always have some online training. Next, if there is any link to submit details along with the job post, check if it is a direct company link or a Google form. If it is a Google form, this activity could be just for database collection. Now, check for grammar and spelling. A professional, when posting a job, they will take time to do a proper job posting with proper spelling, grammar and format. And they would never ask you to drop in your email IDs or contact number in the comment section. These are the tricks followed by some people to increase their followers, especially in platforms like LinkedIn. Moving on, if you are not able to tell from the posting what exactly your role would be, then again it is a problem. If everything is vague, just leave it. Next is one of the most common but still people are falling prey of, that is asking money. Be it application fees, registration fees, security deposit or to get training kit or anything else, do not fall for it. Mainly these scams focus on data entry work or work from home. People fall for it, seeing the unrealistic amount of money being offered. Another mistake people tend to do is going after the brand name. Mostly, people share the details without researching when they see brand names. So, if you see a job posting with a big brand name, check who is posting it and what the interview process is. Since they might take application through third-party institutions, interviews are conducted by the companies only. Big companies have their own recruitment team, which means if they post a job, there would be a contact person's name, number, email ID and company details. These are some of the methods through which you can identify a fake job posting. So what you can do is check for the authenticity of the company by doing a little bit of research on them, like their online presence, their public contact details, social networking of people working in that company and so on. Also, another way is to check the URLs, as there are a number of scammers who use the brand names like Indeed, Monster, Naukri, etc. with slight change in the spelling or URLs. So the best thing anyone can do is verify before you trust. Take time to check and run through the steps mentioned, which can in fact save you from wasting your money and effort on a fraudulent job offer. So good luck with your job hunt. If any of you know more methods for identifying a fake job, please do comment below. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful time ahead.